The basic stuff, like things that I might have to do around the house. This is good. I'm out of breath and I'm tired and it's hot because I had to go upstairs and get my little stand. Either way, hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, it is a new week, a new day, and I wanted to do a grocery haul for you guys. We just came back from the grocery store and I wanted to show you guys the items that we got that we're going to eat for the week. And I have my list here of everything that I wanted to get from the grocery store. However, I didn't get everything on my list. And it's just certain things that I want to do for this week. And starting out today, it is currently 3:52. I haven't eaten or drinking anything today. And my eating window for this week is going to be between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. However, I'm past that, but that's okay. So yeah, so for this week, I'm going to do high protein, low carb, my 6 bottles of water a day, 1 smoothie a day, get back to taking my vitamins like I should. And I'm also going to make sure I do tea, a cup of tea this week, every day this week, and also with the apple cider vinegar shot as well. So these are the items that I put on the grocery list I wanted to get, and this is how I was adding it up as I was going to the grocery store. So first things first, got some ginger ale, got some Skinny Pop popcorn. I got the individual bag and the 6 bags, so I will start eating these tomorrow. And this is what I got for snack. Got some onion bread with poppy seed. Guys, this bread is really, really good. I was looking for the little circle flat breads, the thin ones, but for some reason they didn't have them, so I got this instead. I got some Crystal Delight. I used to drink this a lot in my water. And what I do, I don't use a pack per bottle. 1 pack will last me all the bottles that I drink for the day. So I wanted to get this, it's like a diuretic. It has, this one is with caffeine, and I just put just a little bit in just to get myself together because guys, I have not been drinking my 6 bottles of water like I should have, and I'm getting ready to start back doing it faithfully. And so I just wanted some Crystal Light, just aid me a little bit with it. Got some Dawn dish detergent. Got a pineapple, and guys, this pineapple was only $2, so that's not bad at all. I got some traditional pasta sauce, and this one is no sugar added. So I got this because what I plan on doing this week is I'm going to make some meatballs, and I want to put it in some sauce. So that's why I got this. I got some organic ground beef, and I haven't bought beef in years, but I was like, I wanted to change it up a little bit. I didn't get any ground turkey or ground chicken. I just wanted to change it up and just do beef this time, just for this week. And I got this yellow squash, zucchini, and onions. I'm gonna try this wild salmon and this Hawaiian garlic flavor. And it has 2 pieces of salmon in here, and it says it's with a tropical blend of pineapple, tangy garlic, sweet cherry, and spices. So this is something that I'm gonna have for dinner this week as well. I also got a can of pink salmon because I wanna make some salmon cakes for breakfast this week because I don't wanna have eggs every day this week for breakfast. And that's high protein. I also got 2 avocados, and I got Brussels sprouts and a thing of broccoli. And this is kind of like single serve. It's like half a cup. So the reason why I got this because I'm also working on portion control, and this is going to be key here. turkey sausage. And for my snack, for a sweet tooth, I got this Outshine fruit bar. Guys, these are really, really good. I haven't tried this flavor. They have cherry, tangerine, and grape. The one I did try was the pineapple, watermelon, and mango, and that was so good. So I was like, I want to try something different this time. So I got a cherry, tangerine, and grape, and these are good, especially on these hot summer days. So I got this for my snack. Got a cabbage, got some green beans, got some spring mix, got some mushrooms. I got a red onion, and I also got some strawberries. So this is my little grocery haul here. And I also got a case of water. So guys, this is what I'm going to use for my meal prep for this week, starting today until Saturday. So I'm starting at today, May 26th, which is Sunday, to June 1st. And I have from Sunday to Saturday. And this is what I wrote down. And this is what I'm going to meal prep and eat for the week. And guys, I feel like whenever you meal prep, I know for me, I'm just speaking for me, when I meal prep, I don't have to cook food and cook it and it be for 3 days. I just want to meal prep ahead of time by writing it down, going to the grocery store, putting my meals together, knowing what I'm going to eat. So that's what I'm doing. So with this, I got the green beans, and I'm gonna have green beans and mushrooms mixed together. And I'm probably gonna eat that with a salmon cake. Or maybe that's just gonna be a side that I'm gonna eat or something I'm gonna have for lunch. It's however I wanna do it, green beans and mushrooms. That's a nice lunch to have. It's whatever you wanna do it, whenever you're trying to change how you eat. And guys, to be honest, I'm in a new reset zone. And so that's what basically this video is about, just me resetting it. I wrote this menu earlier today, and I wrote down everything that I want to do for this week, and I'm actually going to put it in my planner. And like as you guys can see, I have high protein, low carb, 6 bottles of water, smoothie a day, vitamins, eat between 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is going to be Sunday to Saturday. My tea, the apple cider vinegar, you know, just making sure I hold myself accountable. And these are all of the items that I want to eat for the week, and I'm gonna mix them up. Okay, my chat partners, so I have my breakfast sandwich for today. And I toasted the onion bread a little bit, and I added a little honey mustard so it won't be so dry. And I have egg, and I put some vegan cheese on it, and the turkey sausage. So yeah, guys, so this is going to be my breakfast for today. And simple, easy. And my husband, I just put egg and cheese on his because he doesn't eat meat, so I didn't give him any sausage or anything. So yeah, guys. Okay, let's see what this tastes like. It's hot. Okay, this is good. Breakfast sandwich without a biscuit, a breakfast biscuit, but you can make it whatever you want to. And this onion bread is really, really good, so that adds some onion taste to it as well. Okay, my chat partner, so part of my reset, I am getting ready to write in my planner and get things going for tomorrow. So once I'm done with that, then I'm going to go and cook dinner. And what I'm going to cook for dinner, I'm going to actually have it for dinner tonight and tomorrow. So that's part of my meal prep. And I'm going to transfer this information here onto here. Also, I have this here, and this is a planner, like a desk planner or just a big planner that I'm going to utilize. And it's for, it has on here the week, as you guys can see. It has on here the week of, and it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's good that it actually starts on Monday, so I can use it for tomorrow. And then it has task here, notes, and it also has reminders. So I'm going to put certain things that I need to be reminded of for this week. And this is just going to be for just the basic stuff, like things that I might have to do around the house or appointments me and my husband might have. And then as far as the task, it's just going to be like maybe household chores and reminders. It's just of important things. And then the notes, I'm going to put that here. Nothing. So this is what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to do a morning walk tomorrow, and I'm going to jump rope. £600 life about this girl. And it was kind of sad.